What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover your old Instagram account without using your email, password or phone number, etc. So here is a tricky option. You have to follow the video and watch the full video to do so. What you need to do first is go to on settings. After going to on settings, you have to scroll all the way down and find the option Google. Okay, after clicking on the Google, you have to click on manage your account like this. After clicking on this, you have to scroll and find the security option. Then what you need to do is scroll all the way down again. After doing so, you can see here is the option manage passwords. You have to click on this. After that, you have to find Instagram to see the password so that you can log into your old account again. After clicking on Instagram, you have to unlock your phone just like this. Then here you can see here is the username and password of your old Instagram account. So you can just copy from there. Otherwise, you can, if you click on I button, the password will show you. So this is how you can log into your old Instagram account using your phone without any password, without any mobile number or email address. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.